Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a really big package. It's got a lot of fidgets in it. I can't put it on my table because it won't fit like in the frame, so I'm going to open it off camera and then bring you one fidget at a time. Alright, and here we're going to go ahead and get into the first fidget. Alright guys, I'm back. I just finished sorting everything out and we're going to start off with this thing. I think I have an idea what this is. It's ACEdc, so I think this is the Pico. Yep, it is. So, nothing else, I'm guessing. Yep, nothing else. I'll close this up. Here it is, the Pico Pick, it's called. It's by ACEdc. Oh, I didn't realize these things were this good. It's really quiet too. Holy. I didn't know this thing is this good. I don't know if you guys been watching the channel for a long time, but I still have somewhere in my house the Rice Ball by Gal Studio. And it was this, but like it was a lot more free spinning. It's on my channel somewhere, so you guys check it out and see there. But this is the ACEdc kind of version. It's just magnetic. There's no balls inside of it that spin loosely. And have some time with it to play with it. It feels nice. Not loud at all. Let me get my scale out. So this thing is, let's see. $86 grams, pretty heavy. It is stainless steel, by the way. Let me bring the light closer so you guys can see better. Look at that. This part of that thing comes off as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right in. Oh wait, actually, before we open this thing up, I'm gonna do the sound test. All right, come on. So 65 to 63 to 67. So it's not loud at all. Like, it doesn't hurt my ears at all. If you're someone that wants a quiet fidget, this is definitely it. Wow, this thing's amazing. It's nice and simple. I wish they had a titanium version because it would be a bit louder and a bit lighter too. I don't like that it's super heavy like this. 86 grams. For a fidget this size, I think it's a lot. But it does feel nice in the hand. Good grip. Nice blackened stainless steel. Alright, let's go and get right into it. See what makes this thing tick. Oh, okay. So it does have balls in it, and it has a big bearing as well. So that bearing spins to make it smooth. And then it has this Oh, so here's the bearing coming out. One sec, let me see if I have something pointy. Will this fit through this hole? Oh, okay. There we go. this is how it comes out. Here are the balls, the magnetic balls. I wonder how it sounds without it. Let's test it out. Oh, so there's no like magnets that you glue into this thing. The magnetic parts of these balls, that's really interesting. I've never seen a fidget like that. They're a bit dirty. But look at this. This is free floating now. That's really cool. And this part of it does come out. And this part of it is held by a magnet. And it just goes in there. And then you just put it back together. Shit. Pretty interesting. Huh, I didn't know that. And that's really, really cool. I'm actually really surprised by that. But yeah, I guess there's nothing much to it. I would give this thing an 8.5 out of 10. Just because I don't like the weight of this thing. I wish it was a bit lighter. But I do like the clicks, the sound. Just the weight for me, it's too heavy. But yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Again, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the bell notifications. I have a ton of more unboxings coming very soon, so you don't want to miss those. And yeah, stay tuned. All right, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.